Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we had this Platinum in our shop, and when I walked out in the shop, I realized that we were taking our standard Westcott kit out of it, had the black Hitachi shocks in it. We decided we were going to put in the new TRD struts with the red axles in it. We'll show up underneath here. There's our new lower collar for this kit. This kit brings it up to a full 3 inches. This one we did run the top ½ inch shim in it. We always tell everybody you want to check and see, but this kit will give it a full 3 inches. It'll actually even give it over 3 inches depending what your amount of lift is in it prior to lifting the truck. But you can see there, we've marked all the bolts. It's got the ½ inch shim in there. We removed the 1 inch puck out of the rear, and we installed our 1.5 or 1 5/8 puck in the rear of this. You can see it's got just a slight rake front to back. It's just over a 1/4 inch higher in the rear than the front, but the truck has a really nice stance to it. You can see it is higher. This gave us about 1.75 inches more of rebound or upward travel after compression. Definitely allows you to even smoothen out the ride even more. When we've done a couple different tests, we've used the factory TRD spring in this that they offer for the kit, and then we've used our collar with the factory spring in it, and it rides smoother this way than it does. We've preloaded the spring less, but the reason we did that is because we wanted to really enhance the ride quality, because we know there's a lot of people out there that want this thing to ride just like it did stock. So hope this is good, and this gentleman is definitely going to enjoy this. He enjoyed it before, but he said, hey, let's give it a try. Let's add a little more lift to it, and not only adding more lift to it, let's see if it enhances the ride even more so. Did a set of Toyo Open Country on this the last time it was in a 35 12.5 by 18. These are a 10-ply tire. We tell people if you can find an 8-ply tire, like a deload tire, is definitely suggested, because these trucks come with a 4-ply tire. So to go from a 4-ply to a 10-ply is definitely a big jump. 1 for gas, 2 for comfort ride. So we suggest if you can make it work with an 8-ply, then source a tire that's in an 8-ply. This will definitely help the ride. So hope you guys enjoy this. Try to get as much around the truck so you could see different points at how it looked, depending on what you're trying to make your truck look. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much.